Akiva Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman & Associates. We're going to continue some informative videos today. Please subscribe to our channel. The question was sent into the office whether or not a closed previous domestic violence case could impact a later custody case. Well, it's a question that requires more detail than the asker provided. I mean, because if it's a closed domestic violence case that's 2 weeks closed, it could very well impact custody, because one of the custody factors is the presence of domestic violence in the household. So even though a case was closed by either conviction or dismissal or plea, if it was just closed recently, the court can still take into account the fact that there might well be domestic violence going on, and therefore it could impact the custody issues. On the flip side, if there's a prior domestic violence that was closed 5 years ago, the court is not likely going to give that much weight in determining the custody factors, because the court is very much about what have you done for me lately. So the court is going to look at more recent history to determine whether or not there's an ongoing threat of certain things, including domestic violence. So really, for the court to make a determination that a domestic violence that's closed impacts the custody elements, the court's going to have to find that it is recent and relevant to the issues at hand. If you have any questions about that, circle back to us, and of course we'll be glad to help you out.